Now take 80 amp stainless part. Just put that regular 80 amp pieces on. So this, punch this out. Take this cap off. It's 55 as marked. I want the 56 80 amp regular steel. You get a wrench. Just slide it over top, that like that. Pull that piece off. We want to keep this little clay piece. 80 amp steel. This goes with the 80 amp stainless. And take this and up. Unscrew this, the tip. That's 80 amp stainless tip. Now it's been disassembled. Put that there. Took the 80 amp steel tip. Put lube on that O-ring. Twist it in. Twist that in until it's snug, just barely snug. Take this and this. Put lube on that O-ring. Just a little bit. And lube on that O-ring. Just a little bit. Stick them two together like that. Supposed to be like that. Drop that in there, press it in. Take lube around this O-ring. Set it on top. Take this piece, the cap. And if you're not careful, you forget this. So you gotta put this back down on there. Screw the 56 on. Snug. Take that piece, set it on top. Screw your cover back on. And you know you did it right if there's a little gap around there. If that gap isn't there, you missed a piece. That's all there is to it.